This is 11 kVA inverter on 15 kilowatts solar lithium battery, installed and confirmed by JEHOVAH-RABOR Solar Energy. We did this job in Lagos State for our client, which run a fast food joint. This job can carry one air condition, one microwave, 2 deep freezer, lighting point, televisions, just name it. This system is suitable for your duplex at home, and power virtual everything on your duplex. As they play, it is show. We know they disappoint. We know they disappoint. We they deliver. Call us today. We got you covered. We have promo offer. If you do any solar system from us, we'll give you a CCTV camera in your home. Thank you. JEHOVAH-RABOR got you covered.